going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today is the first nice day that we've had in a while. Either it's been way too cold or it's been raining or both, and today it is 59 degrees outside and the sun is out. We're going to do a little cruise today. We got Philip in front of us. We haven't seen him on the channel in a while. All right, guys, we're up here. We just got 3 cars. My wife's car today. We're in the wife's car. We never get out and show it any love, so we're in it today. Freddie, if you remember the GT500 that I had in the cruise video a while back, this is also his car. It is a 03 Cobra with a 2.9 Whipple sitting on it. And guys, we're going to do a review on this. Probably when it starts warming back up, we're going to get a review on this car, but this thing is absolutely mean. And then of course we got Philip over here, guys, so we're gonna hit the road and get on a little cruise on a Sunday afternoon.
Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh, how it feels. Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh, how it feels. Instead of letting it go, I let it stay.
Alright, guys, we stopped here. If you've watched my videos in the past, you know this place. We come here quite often when we come out this way on a cruise. It's just amazing scenery out here. I'd love to live right there. Guys, we came out here and then we're about to cruise home. Freddie's got to get back to the house. He's got some stuff to do this evening. guys, we just got back done with the cruise, and this car, guys, has actually been on my channel a long time ago. This is actually my old car, and this is Austin, the current owner of the car. We've got to get a video on this car pretty soon. Yeah, definitely. But this is my old car, guys. 14 GT, manual transmission. Like I said, the black, my wife's car and my black car are the only autos I've ever owned as far as Mustangs. And I've owned several Mustangs. But guys, this is my old car, man. I still miss it at times, I'm not gonna lie. I love the 13 and 14 body. Cody went and dropped Freddie off and the Cobra off and picked up Old Blue, and now it's back with us. Oh, a little chop. It will. It does have cams, y'all heard it before, but. There's another one. Where was all these cars when we did the cruise, man?
This is stupid, dog. I'm gonna do like a hey, bud.
We did the Mustang revs.
That's got Roush.
Cody. So what'd you think about Freddie's Cobra?
Dude, that
Nasty, ain't it?
thing's a monster. I wanted to get on it in first and second gear, but I just gave it a third gear hit. It's stupid.
It's a monster. The tires on it don't grab. It's like my car. Unless you've got some good tires on it, it's
stupid,
crazy.
Dude. I love it. I told him I can't look at Old Blue the same anymore.
No.
It's pathetic.
He's pushing 700 horsepower, and Old Blue's got about 420?
458.
458?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, it's quite a big horsepower difference.
Yeah, big time.
Did you get a picture of them side by side?
I didn't.
They look identical in the front, side by side.
They do.
I thought when I first pulled up, I was like, what is Cody doing in Old Blue? But then I realized that's not Old Blue.
No.
Because they are very similar. The wheels give them off. If you had the same saline wheels,
and
they would be perfect.
Yeah. When Dan had this car, it actually had the salines on it. So then they really did look close.
They look really good.
Yeah.
Really good. Really good.
Several Mustangs up here to pop up.
But when the day is done, I'm still the black swan. But I need you like the bird needs a shotgun. If you can't fight it, you better fly away from it. You better fly away from it.
Content lately?
Well, actually, I got to put my diffuser on if you guys want to check that out. It ain't on there yet, so
when's the turbos coming?
I need about 14 more $100.
Right.
After tax season, baby, it'll be on. Tax money, man, it'll be on there.
He's getting a credit card with a $1,500 limit. He's gonna max it out and then cover the rest.
Right. With I was gonna say mom daddy money. All right, we'll put mom daddy money. We'll put Cody's money on it. We'll put Ken's money on it. We all gonna pitch in and get my turbo kit.
Yes, sir. Y'all ready to get a bite to eat?
Yeah.
We're gonna wrap this video up. We're about to go in here, Don Poncho's, and get a little bite to eat. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.